Hey everyone, just a quick update on where we're at with planning for the marketing site information architecture refresh project, as well as baking in the brand refresh rollout. So as a reminder, the main epic is here. This is what we're doing. We're working on everything over here to organize everything into new content neighborhoods. So into the Workback. We're here. I'm going to put green bounds around the current week that we're on. So activities that we're feeling good about completing. Key stakeholders have been identified. We had a kickoff meeting. We've created this Workback we're looking at. We're building the project out into GitLab. As you saw in the epic, we've got some sub-epics and issues starting to be built. Engineering has started planning out how we're going to build and deliver the project as is designed. And then we're going to finalize the plan and prep the sprint for next week, which starts Monday. This week, SEO has been doing a page audit so we can get some data from their point of view to pair with our Google Analytics data to make decisions going forward. We're going to have our sitemap fully defined and plan to execute on. Product design is going to start working on the new navigation. Engineering is going to get the project set up to roll. We're going to set up project documentation. So as we go along, we're documenting things. That's next sprint here. And then the following week in that sprint, we're going to start to design the P1 pages. We're going to work with SEO and engineering to delete all the unused pages. So a quick kind of rip and replace, which then puts us into the sprint after that, which starts February 28th. That's where all teams will be actively collaborating and working through the P1, P2, and P3 pages. So all teams in P1 and P3. So what does that mean? Teams, we've identified these 3 squads. So squad 1 is going to be focused on homepage, pricing page. That includes the navigation and then the support and resources pages. We've identified resources for these. Thinking here is just these are 2 big ticket items and we want to have dedicated focus to make something that's incredible. Squad 2 is focused on category leadership to solutions to features. So this is a bigger squad because of the sheer amount of content. These are very important pages that are educating our prospective customer and guiding them through the journey. And then squad 3 is going to be focused on the get started and why GitLab pages. So speaking to our differentiators a little bit further into the awareness cycle. If you refer to the information architecture spreadsheet, which is linked, again, everything's linked in the marketing site OKR over here. I've added 3 new tabs. So we have squad 1, and I've got the prioritization of what order we're going to work in things. So when we go back to the Workback and see P1 pages, we can now go over here and understand what that means. So feel free to take a look through. This is just some logical organization of what we should do first, kind of based on if we have a decent amount of content and logical order of delivery. So that's where we're at. Things are looking good, feeling positive. We're feeling well planned, but things are going to come and hit pretty hard. So it's going to get a lot of fun. So thanks. And if you have any questions, just let me know.